Because of your individual and collective sacrifices, the lives that would have been lost to armed attacks are saved. And this, I say, because statistics have revealed that small arms and light weapons claim more than 500,000 lives worldwide each year, and over 80% of these are women and children. Ladies and gentlemen, the administration's commitment to secure the lives of Kenyans as required by our Constitution has emboldened our resolve to fight against the proliferation of illicit arms, and we continue to affirm the importance of this issue through our various regional, continental, global, and global diplomatic channels. By publicly destroying illicit weapons, Kenya once again openly demonstrates that we are determined and ready to face the challenges posed by small arms and light weapons. Kenya's recovery of illicit small arms and light weapons is in tandem with the African Union's call for silencing the guns in Africa by the year 2020. Although this AU target has not been fully achieved by the deadline that we set for ourselves, individual countries, including our own Kenya, have made excellent progress towards that goal. Today, we put an additional fire of freedom to secure the values that we all hold so deeply and we cherish and affirm, as we also, through the same fire, retire from circulation obsolete, state-owned small arms and light weapons that are now redundant to our nation's defense and security, but also as we destroy homemade guns that have been used to threaten the lives of our people. I am really glad to note that the majority of the illegal firearms that I'm mentioning today were voluntarily surrendered by members of the public who heeded our various amnesty programs and calls for community disarmament, and a large number of those weapons were also recovered through the diligence of our security organs who conducted security operations that yielded in these recoveries. In that regard, I want, through UIG and all other security agencies, as well as conscientious members of our public, including our religious and community leaders, for this high sense of civic duty and for the tremendous effort in this national endeavor. Our families, communities, and indeed the entire nation will be safer today because of your individual and collective